All right. So with that, Teddy Riker, Senior Product Manager at Ramp. And for the first time tonight, the demo gods have intervened. Teddy's not here. He sends his regards. Couldn't make it last minute. So that means the demo we were talking about with Nick from Blackhawk might not be able to happen unless you guys are comfortable with me trying to run that from my machine for the first time. Want to see if it works? Yeah. Let's rock and roll. All right, so I'm going to bring up my screen here. So on this enterprise interface, I'm going to ask my agent a question. I'm going to say, can you send $25 gift cards to everybody who attended the focus group today? Actually, a pretty common use case for a lot of sales type meetings. Whereas right now, it usually requires users to actually log into some interface, and because of that, it rarely happens. Let's see if that'll run. So on the right, I can see the response received. Amazing. So the agent looked at my email and then pulled out today's focus group for Project Apex. I'm going to say, yes, that is the correct event. Now the agent is going to go through and say, these are the email addresses that you want to buy from, calculates the total cart price. Authorize $125. Let's authorize that. Okay, I'm going to choose my Ramp card. They're not here. Let's give them a Ramp card anyways. And I'm going to associate this. I'm going to do the verification and the passkey dance. All right. And now let's see what happens. This agent should go to a Blackhawk Network property right now, navigate the site, and then enter into gift cards. Instead of a human being having to do that one by one by one by one by one, the agent automatically goes out and does that. So here you see the Skyfire token generated. You can see what we're talking about when we have the type of information that's included for this. For all those security mechanisms that Nick was talking about to digest this and make an informed fraud decision on. And, okay, purchase completed. I've got 5 gift cards. If somebody wants a $25 gift card after this, please come see me. We'll demo it again. And there you have it, a complete enterprise use case of businesses being able to programmatically buy gift cards for their enterprise users. Pretty cool. And that brings us to the final demo for tonight.